beauty day. Already washed the car up, gonna detail it here. Jacob's over here, gonna detail his. Gonna shine up his chrome a little bit. Cart's out, all set up. Gonna use some of this Griot's Best of Show detailer. Just go around the car, gonna get time lapse rolling. Car is all shined up, really shining. Got the interior all clean, got the seats all scrubbed down with the shampoo cleaner type of scrub. Got all the door jambs all clean. All clean everywhere. Gotta do all the windows, but she's all shined up finally. Jacob's been doing a little bit of shining with the rims and chrome and doing some spray on car wash. Just been doing a little bit of detailing. Did some major detailing on this one, hasn't been done in a while. But we're gonna grill some burgers soon. Then we'll probably try to do those boat lights, but we'll see. Today was just a chill day. Went to the memorial parade, detailed the car. Jacob detailed his rims, shined up his chrome, chromed up his tip on his exhaust tip on the other side. Josh came over, we just did a little bit of riding. He just headed out. Probably do a couple wheelies here just to get you something else for the video. He's vacuuming, he did the back end, now he's doing some front end vacuuming. Just chilling on this nice beautiful Memorial Day. Gonna be a short video for today for sure. Got 10% on the phone, so we're just gonna do a quick couple wheelies. I know I'm not wearing a helmet right now. Alrighty, we're gonna be calling it here. Jacob's cleaning up, finishing up, putting his truck back to the way it was to drive home. Just gonna hang out, go edit up. Might put in some of the parade clips, and if not, you can go to the Ruckus Boys Instagram to check out the Instagram story of today's parade. But this is where we're calling it. We'll see you guys tomorrow for another beautiful day, and we'll do the boat lights tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Catch you then.